Imagine this, a highly advanced alien civilization, light years ahead of us in technology and science, sends one of their top doctors to study Earth. This alien physician, let's call them Doctors EYX, arrives with a smirk, ready to dissect and analyze human biology. To them, we're primitive, fragile, and frankly, a bit of a joke. But as Doctors EYX begins their examination, something unexpected happens. The test results start coming in, and suddenly, that smirk fades. What could possibly make an alien doctor, who's seen it all, rethink their entire perspective on human biology? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Welcome to a journey that will make you see your own body in a whole new light. Human biology is often taken for granted. We wake up, go about our day, and rarely stop to think about the incredible complexity of the systems that keep us alive. But what if we could see ourselves through the eyes of an advanced extraterrestrial scientist? What would they find fascinating, baffling, or even awe-inspiring about the human body? This isn't just a fun thought experiment, it's a way to explore the marvels of our own biology, the evolutionary quirks that make us who we are, and the surprising ways we might just outshine even the most advanced alien civilizations. Let's start with the basics, the human brain. To Doctors EYX, the brain might initially seem unimpressive. After all, it's just a 3-pound organ, right? But as they delve deeper, they'd discover that this squishy, wrinkled mass is one of the most complex structures in the known universe. The human brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons, each capable of forming thousands of connections with other neurons. This network allows us to think, feel, dream, and create in ways that even the most sophisticated alien AI might struggle to replicate. Doctors EYX would soon realize that human creativity, problem-solving, and emotional depth are not just byproducts of evolution, they're evolutionary masterpieces. But the brain is just the beginning. As Doctors EYX moves on to the human immune system, they'd be in for another shock. Our immune system is like a highly trained army, constantly on guard to protect us from invaders. It can recognize and remember millions of different pathogens, allowing it to mount a faster and more effective response the next time it encounters the same threat. This adaptability is something that even advanced alien medicine might envy. And let's not forget the microbiome, the trillions of bacteria, viruses, and fungi that live in and on our bodies. These tiny organisms play a crucial role in our health, aiding in digestion, regulating our immune system, and even influencing our mood. To Doctors EYX, this symbiotic relationship would be a revelation, showcasing the intricate balance that sustains human life. Now, let's talk about something that might really blow Doctors EYX's mind: human DNA. At first glance, DNA might seem like a simple blueprint, but it's so much more than that. Our DNA contains roughly 3 billion base pairs, and while only about 1 to 2% of it codes for proteins, the rest is far from junk. Non-coding DNA plays a crucial role in regulating gene expression, ensuring that the right genes are turned on or off at the right times. This complexity allows for an incredible degree of adaptability, enabling humans to thrive in a wide range of environments, from the freezing Arctic to the scorching Sahara. Doctors EYX would quickly realize that human DNA is a testament to the power of evolution, a finely tuned instrument that has allowed us to survive and flourish against all odds. But perhaps the most surprising thing Doctors EYX would discover is the human capacity for resilience. Despite our seemingly fragile bodies, humans have an extraordinary ability to heal and adapt. Broken bones mend, wounds close, and even our minds can recover from trauma. This resilience is not just physical, it's emotional and psychological as well. Humans have an uncanny ability to find hope, to persevere in the face of adversity, and to come together to overcome challenges. To an alien doctor, this might be the most baffling and inspiring aspect of all. How can a species with such limited physical capabilities possess such an indomitable spirit? As Doctors EYX continues their examination, they'd uncover even more wonders: the efficiency of the human heart, which beats around 100,000 times a day without fail, the intricate dance of hormones that regulate everything from growth to mood, and the remarkable plasticity of the human body, which allows us to adapt to new challenges and environments. Each discovery would chip away at their initial arrogance, replacing it with a growing respect for the complexity and resilience of human biology. But the story doesn't end there. As Doctors EYX delves deeper, they'd begin to see the bigger picture. Human biology is not just a collection of parts and systems, it's a testament to the power of evolution, the result of millions of years of trial and error. It's a story of survival, adaptation, and triumph over adversity. And perhaps most importantly, it's a story that's still being written. Every day, scientists are uncovering new mysteries, pushing the boundaries of what we know about our own bodies. Who knows what other secrets we might uncover in the years to come? So, what do you think? Could human biology hold the key to unlocking new frontiers in science and medicine, even for an advanced alien civilization? And what other surprises might Doctors EYX discover if they continued their examination? Stick around, because we're just getting started. In the next section, we'll dive even deeper into the wonders of human biology, exploring the cutting-edge research that's changing the way we understand ourselves. As Doctors EYX continues their examination, they turn their attention to one of the most underappreciated aspects of human biology, the musculoskeletal system. At first glance, it might seem like a simple framework of bones and muscles, but to an alien scientist, it's a marvel of engineering. The human skeleton is both strong and lightweight, capable of withstanding tremendous forces while allowing for a wide range of motion. Our bones are living tissue, constantly being broken down and rebuilt in a process called remodeling. This allows them to adapt to stress, heal after fractures, and even store essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus. Doctors EYX would be fascinated by the fact that our bones are not static structures, they're dynamic, evolving with us throughout our lives. But it's not just the bones that would catch Doctors EYX's attention. The human muscular system is equally impressive. With over 600 muscles, our bodies are capable of everything from delicate, precise movements to powerful, explosive actions. What's truly remarkable is the efficiency of our muscles. They convert chemical energy into mechanical energy with an efficiency rate of around 18 to 26%, which is far superior to most man-made machines. And then there's the heart, a muscle that works tirelessly, pumping blood through 60,000 miles of blood vessels in the human body. Doctors EYX would likely be stunned by the sheer endurance of this organ, which beats approximately 2.5 billion times over an average human lifetime without ever taking a break. As Doctors EYX moves on to the respiratory system, they'd encounter another example of human ingenuity. The human lungs are a masterpiece of design, with millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli that provide an enormous surface area for gas exchange. In fact, if you were to spread out all the alveoli in your lungs, they would cover an area roughly the size of a tennis court. This allows us to extract oxygen from the air and expel carbon dioxide with incredible efficiency. But what might really surprise Doctors EYX is the adaptability of our respiratory system. At high altitudes, where oxygen levels are low, our bodies can produce more red blood cells to carry oxygen, and our lungs can increase their capacity to take in more air. This ability to adapt to extreme environments is something that even an advanced alien species might find impressive. Next, Doctors EYX would likely turn their attention to the human digestive system, another area where our biology shines. The digestive tract is a complex ecosystem, home to trillions of microorganisms that play a crucial role in breaking down food, synthesizing vitamins, and protecting us from harmful pathogens. But what's truly remarkable is the adaptability of our digestive system. Humans can thrive on a wide variety of diets, from the high-fat, high-protein diets of the Inuit to the plant-based diets of many traditional cultures. This flexibility has allowed humans to colonize nearly every corner of the globe, from the frozen tundras to the arid deserts. Doctors EYX would likely be amazed by the fact that our bodies can extract the nutrients we need from such a diverse range of foods. As Doctors EYX continues their examination, they'd begin to notice something else, the incredible interconnectedness of human biology. Every system in the body is linked to every other system, creating a delicate balance that must be maintained for us to stay healthy. For example, the endocrine system, which regulates hormones, works closely with the nervous system to control everything from metabolism to mood. The circulatory system delivers oxygen and nutrients to every cell in the body, while the lymphatic system helps to remove waste and fight infection. Even the skin, which might seem like a simple outer layer, plays a crucial role in protecting us from the environment, regulating temperature, and even synthesizing vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. But perhaps the most surprising thing Doctors EYX would discover is the role of epigenetics in human biology. Epigenetics is the study of how environmental factors can influence gene expression without changing the underlying DNA sequence. This means that our genes are not our destiny, our lifestyle, diet, and even our thoughts can affect how our genes are expressed. For example, Studies have shown that stress can lead to changes in gene expression that increase the risk of chronic diseases, while exercise and a healthy diet can have the opposite effect. To Drs. EYX, this would be a revelation, showing that human biology is not just about the genes we inherit, but also about how we interact with the world around us. As Drs. EYX delves deeper into the mysteries of human biology, they'd begin to see that we are more than the sum of our parts. Our bodies are a testament to the power of evolution, the result of millions of years of adaptation and survival. But they're also a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the human spirit. Despite our physical limitations, we have managed to overcome incredible challenges, from surviving in harsh environments to curing diseases that once seemed incurable. And as Drs. EYX continues their examination, they'd begin to realize that there's still so much we don't know about our own bodies, and that's what makes human biology so endlessly fascinating. So, what do you think? Could the secrets of human biology hold the key to unlocking new frontiers in science and medicine, even for an advanced alien civilization? And what other surprises might Drs. EYX discover if they continued their examination? Stick around, because in the next section, we'll explore the cutting-edge research that's changing the way we understand ourselves and the incredible potential it holds for the future. Please subscribe this channel for more interesting stories like this in future. Thanks.